Welcome back to the channel HBNR family. This is the sewing section of the amazing short pant. So if you are just coming across this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching. So I've already marked the pocket area and I marked 2 inches downward from the waist line, and also I marked 2 inches from the side area. The pocket opening is 6 inches. So this is the material I'm going to be using for the pocket. I'm using bridal satin. So I'm going to place it like this. You need to pay full attention to this area so that you won't get it wrong. So here is the zip I'm going to be using, and this is the front part of the zip, while this is the inner part of it. So I'll make sure that the zip teeth is facing down on the fabric. So I place the front of the zip. I'm going to place it facing down like this, and I'm going to start my stitches from the 2 inches I marked downward. So I will stitch it till it reaches the zip opening, which is 6 inches. So after it reaches the area I marked, so I'm going to flip it like this. I'm going to flip it like this. I'm going to turn it like this, and I'm going to start my sewing here. So you need to give full attention to this area so that you won't mint anything there, and while making your own, it will come out perfectly. So this is how it looks like. As you can see that it's perfect. So I'm going to make a stitch here. I'm going to do the same thing here. So after that, I'm going to top stitch the zip area. So after the top stitching, this is how it looks like. It looks perfect. So I want you to pay full attention to this pocket so that you won't get it wrong. You need to pay full attention to how I fold it. So here I'm going to make stitch here. So with this, the pocket is done. So the next thing is to join the back to the front, just like this. So after that, I'm going to join both sides together like this by joining the crotch area together. After joining it together like this, the next thing is to join the inner net, the net that is going to be inside of the pant. I'm going to join it together. So I'm going to join the front and the back of the net together. I'll follow the same step as I've joined the pants together. That exact step, that's what I'm going to follow while joining the net. I'm done joining the nets together, so I'm going to place it inside the pants. So after laying the pants like this, pay attention to this area as well. So if your pant is at the right side like this, so you are going to turn it into the wrong side, just like this. So you are going to place the net also should be at the wrong side, so you are going to place it like this. So the inner side of each of the pants and the net will be facing each other like this, and you will start your sewing here. As you can see, the right side is facing the right side, so it is the wrong side you are going to sew together. This is how I'm going to do it. This is the right side facing each other. So after joining it together, this is how it will looks like. So I'm going to turn it inside. So as you can see, the net is inside of the pants. So if you notice the hemming of the bottom of the pant, you will notice that there is no any seaming area there. So the seaming area is inside. The seaming area here is inside. So I've already made my waistband. So if you don't know how to make this waistband, you can check the description section below. I've dropped the link there. So I'm going to attach the waistband into the pants. So after attaching the waistband to it, this is how it looks. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.